Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will talk about how to recover funds from a compromised wallet, and I will show you a demo by running a script that will withdraw funds from compromised wallet. So here we write some piece of code, and we are importing our transfer logic and making it short and easy to understand. So this is the token address we want to withdraw from a compromised wallet, and that will be sent to this address, and here is the amount. Let me show you something and some tips and tricks how you can save your funds and crypto wallets, and what to do if you got compromised or if your private key is leaked. First, be careful when you are connecting your wallet with apps. So have to must verify the domain name is the correct, and when you signing also check here the domain name. Okay, and even you can go in the details and see what you are allowing this app, because these apps later take approval of your funds, and then they can transfer from and withdraw all your assets from your wallet. If you are in suspect that your funds are compromised like this, or if you have unnecessary approvals to any dApps, so here is the right app revoke.cash. so you can come here and connect wallet. It will show you all of the details, like let me show you an example. Here is my wallet address, and I will check here if my wallet is connected or have some permissions to dApps. So I have nothing, we don't connect with any kind of app. So we can see here and we can revoke, and just connect the wallet, revoke, and you have to sign the transaction. Another way, if your private key is leaked and compromised, so what they do with your funds, they will transfer your funds immediately and attach bots, a sweeper bot on your wallet. Let me clear here, if they take your funds, you cannot recover them. If your funds are stuck somewhere, like you are in any staking platform, you deposit some USDT or some tokens staking somewhere, and they have a countdown to withdraw, like every 1 day you can withdraw some amount of tokens. So what they do, they will attach a sweeper bot with your wallet. As the token unlock, they will withdraw from the app and immediately transfer. Here we have an example, a sweeper bot attached on this wallet. So they even the wallet don't have enough BNB to cover the gas fees, so they sponsored the gas fees and transferring the tokens in their own account. So here is the also data. Okay, so we built this kind of script. Let me show you what we do here. I have this wallet and we have 0.5 ETH, and right now we have here inside 100 tokens. Here is the compromised wallet. So in this wallet we have 900 tokens, As you can see, there is not enough ETH to cover the gas fees. Means if we write the script and directly transfer the funds from this account to other account, so we need a gas fees. As we deposit the gas fees, the other sweeper bot will take this fund and transfer to this scammer address. So what we have to do, we have to run a script that will be sponsor the gas fees and withdraw tokens from this compromised wallet. So for now I will start. Okay, we run the script. Wait a moment. Okay, so user operation. Okay, fine. So it's waiting for the user operation successful. Okay, done. So 900. Also I will refresh this page. We have to wait because this transaction will be mined from the validator. So we can see here we have 800 token remaining. Before it was 900, and even this wallet don't have ETH, so we withdraw the tokens. Okay, as you can see, 1 minute ago we withdraw 100 tokens from this wallet, and here 200 tokens. We even don't use the gas fees from this wallet. Here you can see 1 minute ago we receive 100 tokens. So this is the way we can withdraw funds if we know we have incoming funds. The funds already scammer stole, we cannot recover them.